How you guys doing out there? Just got the Ferrari out today. Supple leather, carbon fiber wrapped everywhere. Beautiful, just beautiful. Guys, I want to take a minute, talk to you guys for a couple minutes. I've been getting a lot of emails lately, a lot of private messages on Instagram lately, and you guys keep asking me, hey, Jared, how you so successful, man? How do you drive around in those Ferraris and the private jets, and how have you done this in your life? And I keep telling people, it's called time, man. You have to work hard over long periods of time, guys. So if you want to be successful overnight, okay, it's not going to happen. All right, I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're Mark Zuckerberg. I don't care if you're Bill Gates. I don't care if you're Grant Cardone. I don't care who you are. All right, none of those people got successful overnight. You want to be a trader. You want to learn how I trade the market. You want to learn how I got into some of my real estate deals. You want to learn all that stuff. Guess what? It takes time, right? I get these people all the time. Hey, how can I make a $50,000, $100,000 a year or a month sometimes, and I want to do it in 3 months? Probably not going to happen that way. Okay, so guys, success is out there. All right, you can be extremely successful. All right, extremely successful, but it takes time. Give it time, and you've got to work hard. Don't be busy. Be productive. Okay, work hard, guys. Example: I was in Arizona yesterday. I'm in New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and New York today and tomorrow. Then I'm going down to Florida for some meetings, and then I'm coming back to Arizona to spend a couple days with the family, then back to New Jersey for more meetings. How many of you are in 5 states in 3 different days, all of which are business related? You got to ask yourself, are you working hard to reach your goals, to reach your dreams? You want to be a live trader, right? You want to be a real trader. You want to learn how to master the market. You want to get those crazy double, triple, quadruple digit returns. Give it time. Give it time. All right? Get the education you need. You went to college for a reason. You want to learn how to trade? Guess what? You need an education. You want to be great in real estate? You need an education. You have to learn all those things, and all those things take time. We are not robots. We're not computers. You don't upload a program and then boom, magically success happens. It takes time for us to learn. We make mistakes along the way, okay? All of those things, guys, are part of the process of success, okay? The process of success. So if you want to be truly wealthy, okay, you want to have a Ferrari, you want to fly in a private jet, it takes time. But I'll tell you this, guys, more than any of those things, material things are nice in life, they are. But what you really want in life, trust me on this, is the freedom and time to do what you want whenever you want to do it, okay? You want to go to the park because you can, you go to the park because you can, not because your boss tells you you can, all right? Now, you might have to work for a boss once in a while, but if you work hard, you'll eventually be able to work for yourself. Coming into the crib, guys, I'm gonna get a little bite and then head off to some meetings this afternoon. But like I said, if you want to be successful, if you want to be a real trader, a live trader, successful in anything in life, it takes time and a lot of work, guys. Don't be busy, be productive. Hope you guys are well. Have a good one. Talk to you soon, guys.
Hey guys, Jared Wesley of Live Traders. How you guys doing today? I wanted to go over this awesome trade that I took on OLED this morning. Man, as always, we start with a top-down approach. Okay, that means we use the daily time frame first, and then we drop down to the lower time frames later. So if you look at OLED, you have a nice daily pullback, okay, just above this support area at 150, okay, with a bottoming tail, couple little green doji bars. It's about a 50% retracement, which is exactly what we're looking for, right? You're taking a really strong daily stock and saying, oh, wait a second, this stock just finished a marathon, it needs a little bit of a break, right? If you finished a marathon and somebody said, hey, I need you to run a quick sprint, you'd be kind of tired, right? So you want to give the stock adequate rest, and that's exactly what happened right here on the OLED. So you have the buy setup forming right around the $170 mark. And then this morning, the stock gaps up, okay? It gaps up. So we have room back to the prior pivot high, which is about 190, 191 bucks. So when we use the top-down approach, we look at the daily first because that's where all the big money is, the institutional money, the hedge fund money, the HFT money, right? So when we do that, guys, we know that there's big money in this, okay? So after we figure that the daily is really nice, and in this case it is, and I just explained why, we drill down to a lower time frame. Today, that would be the 1 minute chart. I love the 1 and 2 minute chart off the open or close to the open. So what do we get? A wide range igniting bar, a narrow range resting bar, and then blast off. I mean, guys, blast off. So the entry on this, okay, was right here just below the $180 mark, okay, whatever the high of this bar is, there it is, 179.75, and our stop loss was under the small bar, 178.50. So you have about a $1.25 stop, and this stock went up to 184.80. Do the math. That's about a $5 move on a $1.25 stop. That's 4 to 1 on your money. Guys, real quick, that's a 1 minute chart. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 7 minutes. 6 to 7 minutes, and you can see the results up here. That's a nice play for 6 or 7 minutes. I mean, shoot, lawyers make that in an hour, and you can do it in 6 or 7 minutes. Some people don't even make that each day. Okay, out there in the real world, people making $50K a year. This is what makes trading so wonderful, guys. It makes it so incredible, is you can do it from anywhere you want in the world, okay? You can do it in an hour a day. Guys, I do 15 to 30 minutes pre-market from around 9 a.m. to 9:30. I put together my gap list, my watch list, and you can see some of those stocks right in here in the middle. And then I dwindle that list down to my favorites list. So I might have 10 or 12 overall ideas that I like. And I take those 10 or 12 ideas and I dwindle them down to my top 3 or 4 favorites. Guess what? OLED was one of my favorites, okay? You can see that. I called it in the chat room. I put it as one of my favorites, and I let everybody know. I let everybody know exactly where I wanted to buy the stock. And then on top of it, just gave us this perfect textbook pattern. Wide bar, narrow bar, blast off. Wide bar, narrow bar, blast off. All possible because of the daily chart. Guys, trading does not have to be complicated. How complicated was this that I just explained to you? Beautiful daily chart in an uptrend, stage 2 uptrend, 50% retracement, has room back to 192-ish, gaps up into the void. So we're sitting at 178 to 180. It's got room to 192. It's got $12, $13, $14 worth of room. You get a wide bar, shows commitment, shows it's igniting, shows people are interested in it. The buyers really want this stock. And then you get a narrow range bar that's a resting bar, so the stock can continue to move higher. Okay, well, that's exactly what we got. Simple, guys. 3-bar play on a 1 minute chart, and in 7 minutes you have a winner. Guess what? 9:45, you're done. No, not even 9:45. 9:39 to 9:40, you're done. So I get in front of my desk at 9 o'clock. By 9:40, I'm done. Wow, call it 10 o'clock. It's an hour a day. Why wouldn't you want to be a great trader? Why wouldn't you want to learn the trading business? You can do it with 1 or 2 monitors from anywhere in the world. And for those of you that dog on trading, you just don't understand it. It's okay. I don't blame you. You don't understand it. Okay? You're fine with giving your money to a hedge fund. You pay them 20% of your profits and 2% of the fees, or 2% of the principal, sorry. Oh, geesh. Why are hedge fund managers so wealthy? Fees, 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 fees. Guys, be your own person. Control your own life. Don't you want to call the shots and not have to worry about coming in at 9 a.m. because the boss said so? You come in because you want to. We're staying till 5 o'clock because the boss said so, or sitting in rush hour traffic? You don't have to do any of that with trading, guys. And again, you're not going to start off being a rock star. You're going to start off maybe losing a little money, breaking even, cutting your teeth. But once you get it, once you understand one simple thing, you got to get this, guys. Trading is just a game of odds. It's statistical probability. That's all it is. Statistical probability. Guys, I can take this exact pattern 10 times. 6 times it'll work and 4 times it won't. Sometimes 4 times it'll work and 6 times it won't. So roughly 50-50. I win 50 to 55, 60% of the time. But when I win 2 to 1. When I lose 1 to 1. It's brilliant. It's a perfect way to make money on your terms from anywhere in the world with an internet connection and a computer. I love it, guys. It's the best business ever. And nobody tells me when I'm done. I say when I'm done. Today, that happened to be 9:45 in the morning. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I hope you learned a little bit from this OLED trade review. And remember, if you want to be a real trader, if you want to be a profitable trader, if you want to be a flexible trader, if you want to be a trader that spends time with their family and their friends and enjoys the good life, if you don't want to be average, if you want to be the best, you be a live trader. Have a good one, guys, and I'll talk to you next time. Take care.